Let's divide 460 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning long division, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Let's start with the first digit of 460, which is 4. Get ready. We bring down the 4, it's all by itself now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. Perfect. Now subtract 4 from 4. What do we get? 0. Awesome job, you're doing great. We've got a remainder of 0. Let's move to the next digit. Next up is the number 6. Let's tackle it. We bring down the 6 next to our remainder 0, making it 6. How many times does 2 go into 6? Let's see, 3 times. Check our work, 3 times 2 equals 6. So close. Subtract 6 from 6. That leaves us with 0. You're on a roll. Keep up the fantastic work. Another 0 remainder. Time for the last digit. Last but not least, we have the digit 0. Let's finish strong. We bring down the 0. It's all alone. How many times does 2 fit into 0? Only 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Easy peasy. Subtract 0 from 0. We get 0 again. You did it. Fantastic job all the way through. We've reached the end of the number. Our final answer is 230. So, 460 divided by 2 is 230. We just learned how to divide 460 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is just a way to share numbers equally. Keep practicing, and you'll become a math whiz in no time. Great job, everyone! Keep exploring and learning with more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.